Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Lithosphere token. Now this token is in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap today. It's doing very well. It's up 183.76% right now. Ticker symbol is Litho. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So the Lithosphere coin is listed on CoinMarketCap. On there, you can find their webpage, lithosphere.network. You can find their Medium, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, GitHub, full white paper listed on here. So you can also find the chart, price, a lot of mixed comments on here. I see some bearish comments. I see some good comments, mostly good comments actually. It looks like only, I don't know, there's a couple bearish comments. Kind of mixed actually. It looks like a little of both. And yeah, so how do you get this token? Well, it's listed on a whole bunch of different exchanges, a lot of lesser exchanges, but the best exchange I could see that it's listed on here is Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token, most people, 73% of people are getting this token off Mexc Global. It's a great exchange. If you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Litho, and then you would simply just buy the token. It's that easy. Chart is looking very strong today. Of course, up 182% right now. So what is this project all about? Well, let's go over that. So let's see here. So this is part of KAJ, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, KAJ Labs Foundation. And KAJ Labs Foundation is building a new generation of financial infrastructure based on blockchain technology. The project Lithosphere aims to build a value transfer infrastructure for the Internet of Values. It will connect past and next-gen smart contracts, solving the problem of insufficient interoperability. The Lithosphere is a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Lithosphere's vision is to connect all blockchains and break the barriers between blockchains by allowing them to transact with one another. The end goal is to create a connected network of blocks that can process transactions quickly and communicate with other blockchains. 2.5 billion individuals worldwide are unable to use banks, create savings accounts, or acquire credit cards. Many organizations are exploring ways to record traditional forms of assets, such as bills and loyalty points, into blockchains. Inclusionary finance is reaching new heights thanks to the development of blockchain technology. Lithosphere aims to develop a more widely disseminated blockchain technology and digital asset application. The world has changed dramatically, and as a result of the Internet of Values, Lithosphere's goal is to create a decentralized platform for trading of non-fungible assets and digital currency. Internet of Values will allow individuals to handle values as if they were informed. The Internet of Values is still in its early phase with interoperability, scalability, and usability limitations. It must be adaptable to a variety of circumstances, including banking, industry, and government administrations. The Internet of Values has a lot of work ahead of it in terms of standardization, platformization, functionality, modularity, application ecology, interoperability, and anti-quantum assaults. Interoperability is the most pressing of the three types of obstacles listed above. It allows us to move assets between blockchains, design smart contracts, and improve update scalability. The Internet of Information has already a significant influence on our lives. We may also anticipate significant changes in our lives as a result of the Internet of Values. The Internet of Values will have a wider range of values than traditional financial markets. It allows more and more values to enter themselves through the process of tokenization. The goal of Lithosphere is to create a platform-level public chain in the digital economy era that can connect all kinds of values, provide complete financial functions, communicate diverse communities and tokens, and bridge centralized and decentralized organizations with the help of blockchain, AI, and other technologies. So the Internet of Values can subsequently improve the interoperability if multi-token smart contracts can be implemented. The present cross-chain technology uses a two-way peg to transfer transactions to side chains and multiple signatures to exit the side chains. We need to create a public chain that allows other tokens to be mapped to it in a more inventive fashion. The three threshold signature technique addresses the issue of signatures created by departing while also improving the network stability. Lithosphere will choose appropriate nodes to join and refresh the shared key parameters in extreme circumstances. The Litho coin, the Litho is the native coin of the Lithosphere. Both cross and intra-chain transactions consume a certain amount of Litho. Litho is also used in security deposits for the cross-chain verification nodes. The currency of choice in the Lithosphere network is a ticker symbol Litho, although another crypto can be used as well. The Litho coin is the Litho USD coin is similar to an algorithmic stable coin, so they have that as well, the stable coin. The Lithosphere is a new platform that aims to build an infrastructure, a platform to run decentralized applications. The goal of Lithosphere is to use blockchain technology to create value interoperability between different types of tokens. When a registered asset is moved from the original chain to Lithosphere, Lithosphere issues equal tokens to existing contracts. So it's got cross-chain integration, it's got cross-chain transactions, it's got deep neural networks, so LEP100 multi-chain token standard, it's got validators, linear communication, BFT consensus, myriad distributed key management, verification nodes, locked account generation schemes, smart contract token transaction anonymity. And the advantages here are fully decentralized without third-party participation, secure and stable, one-time account system, ring signature scheme, and then it's got cryptography-based security guarantee, smart contracts, contract multi-triggering mechanisms, enhanced and compatibility. Community operation plan here, project promotion method, a movement to promote blockchain technology. Lithosphere applications are borrowing and lending, payment and settlement, transactions and exchanges, investment and financing, interoperability, time lock features, next generation blockchain for NFTs, security, scalability, staking, digital assets, and cross-chain gaming assets. And that's this coin in a nutshell. So check out Lithosphere. You can find them in the top gainer section today on CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.